So there's 3 stations.
Right.
I mean, for St. Petersburg and Moscow, this one, nothing.
No, last is directly we came from Sadovaya to here directly.
Yeah.
Only from Senior Poloshat, I think.
Yeah, 20 minutes.
Yeah.
The metro plus 10 minutes here, so around 30 minutes, which is good enough for such a big city. So, you know, I feel a little bit guilty because yesterday I was talking too much, so you may be not prepared well because of me. So I can be loose sometimes. Oh, я doggy! Да, собака. Белая собачка. Белая собака.
I think this one is ours, yeah?
No matter you go here from the there is a tunnel. Yes. Right. Because the rain comes from that side. Собака. Sorry? I don't know what it is.
No, आगे वाला. It's the further one.
So it's a civil project
Uh-huh.
for house.